Hey gang, Poppy here. In my last video, I was out in the shop and I rubbed these. You remember them? These are those two stones that I actually managed to rub something in the video entitled Rubbing Out Some Africans. Here they are. Beautiful color. Unfortunately, this whole parcel, 50 carats of Welo crystal, was like New York City in the 1980s. Crack, 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 crack. Not a usable stone, salvageable. Total loss is $17.99. Yeah. Here's another piece of that Australian I got from Australia Opal King. The bigger piece of it, I showed you me throwing it away. This is what I cut off. I'm going to try cutting it next time I go out. I want to try and find some damn color in there that's worth looking at. I mean, I see some in there, but it's pale. It's buried under cotton. Some of the cotton balls are interspersed, so you've got little spots of color amongst the cotton balls. I don't hold much hope for it. But I have to try. Okay, now there's okay. This is the next bag of victims. I see a couple in here, they have possibilities. They always have possibilities. I don't see any cracks here. I could see them in the last parcel. Maybe I'll have more luck. Anyway, that's Gem World, 20 carats. And when I go back out to the shop, July, considering this is the penultimate day of June, and I ain't going out to the shop tomorrow, July. Okay, now, let me better. You have a better view of my wonderful physiognomy. Okay, you may ask why this exercise in buying opal that I was pretty sure wasn't all that good. Well, Australia Opal King, it was the first one I'd ever bought online. I never, ever had to buy opal that I couldn't fondle with my own 10 little rakes. You can probably guess what kind of rake they are. Anyway, so I wanted to see, about honesty. The 50 carats of Welo, I forget who I got that from. I mean, weighed 50 carats, lead Welo. but small pieces, chips really, and all cracked. Some pretty color. Totally useless because I can't put them in a, you know, in a water jar, little water bottle of opal chips necklace. Can't do that with Willow because it'll look like wet cotton balls. Okay, so okay, this parcel from Opal, what was Gem World. Gem World. Okay, that was another. Check out a dealer. Lower weight parcel, and they seem to have some bigger pieces. And I gotta look them with my optivisors, to see if there are any cracks. I don't see them right now with just my regular glasses. Probably tomorrow I'll romance these, see if there's any place I gotta use the marker to slash and mark hole areas, to grind off. And first or second, back out in the shop. Okay. I've got a 44.4 carat parcel out in the shop. That's the next one after this 20 carats. And I've got a 100 carat parcel and a 62 carat piece. It's supposed to be here July 17th and 19th, approximately. I wait its arrival with bated breath and heart palpitations. Okay, now I heard our host at Opal Odyssey talking about where to get your opal. Don't go to eBay. Don't go to Etsy. I agree with Etsy. Yeah. Shake their name off my fingertips. I don't know. They don't know how to market stuff. They can't tell you a simple price. And frankly, I don't trust them. Something about their vibe. I mean, they got a Zuckerberg vibe about them. Yeah, I said it. Uh-huh. Now, eBay, of course, you have to be careful. You have to be careful walking into the rock shop and fondling it before you pull the money out of your pocket. With eBay, it comes, it don't look like the picture. It don't weigh as much as it's supposed to. You send it back and you get a refund. Plus, you get the pleasure of burning that guy's name down on the internet. This guy sold me shit. Ah! You get that little pleasure waiting for your refund. Amazon. I mean, Amazon is return-o-matic. They don't care if it's even the slightest bit authentic reason. Boom, refund. So, Walmart.com, Walmart itself, at least you walk in to Walmart or you order at Walmart online and it comes from Walmart, you know where to find the employee who has the rectum. You can put it up and say, refund. And like I said, eBay and Amazon, they're good on refund. Now, I would love to be able to buy Australian opal rough directly from the mine. But my name isn't Justin. I don't live in Australia. And I don't have his budget. I don't have Opal Odyssey's budget. I mean, I'm not wondering whether I should get a horse or a side-by-side ATV. I'm wondering whether I should get the next six-pack I want. Oh, by the way, it's hot here in California now. Well, not exactly now. It's after 9 p.m. Sun's gone down, and it goes from furnace to meat locker. As soon as the sun goes down past the hills, either like the cold or start closing up because it gets cold. So anyway, where you buy is your choice. I haven't had any problems with dishonesty buying through eBay, right? The stuff looked like the picture. It weighed as much. If I was unhappy with the merchandise, well, I made the mistake of not fondling it before I paid for it. And it's sort of hard, you know. There's a opal miner, dealer, cutter, in Australia. He has auctions. And he's got the expensive stuff, the $5,000 and $10,000 pieces. Then he's got what he calls gamble rough. No minimum bid. All right. So perhaps I could win a couple of $5 stones. Right? A $5 piece of black opal. Hard to lose your money. I mean, cut a 3mm round. If it's pretty, $5. $35 shipping from Australia. And that's not refundable. Any of those places you see, free refunds, right? Free shipping, free refunds. They pay the lowest possible on the shipping. You've seen those plastic bags. No charge for refund. That means they're not charging you a restocking fee. You still have to pay to get it back to him. And if he's in Bangalore, yeah, you have to pay the postage. Customs probably. Oh, he gets away with no customs. You, boom. You get right up the wazoo. Because you're not a dealer. You don't live in Bangalore, Mumbai, or Delhi. Any of those places. So, a dealer in the States, or at least a company that you know where they're at, you know where the nearest Walmart is. And if you're like me, the people at the customer service desk, they cringe when you walk in. They go, "Oh no!" And then there's Operation CYA time at customer service. Ask anyone who was in Vietnam; he'll tell you what Operation CYA is. Anyway, uh, that's about it for tonight. Good night from California.